How to use Zoho Mail with IMAP or POP. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho Mail website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your Zoho Mail account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to use Zoho Mail with your IMAP or POP, you need to go to the settings first. Here in the top right corner, you can see the settings icon. Click on it. In the left hand side, you can see the settings menu. Scroll down to the bottom. And here you can see the mail account option. Click on it. Over here, you can see the option of POP and IMAP. In order to set up the IMAP, you can click on IMAP. So you will need to enable the IMAP access first. So click on this IMAP access over here. You can set up this incoming server over here to imappro.zoho.com or leave as it is to imap.zoho.com, and the port is selected 993 and the outgoing server is smtp.zoho.com. Now you also need to enable the POP access. Head over to this POP section, enable this POP access too, and similarly if you want to configure the email client in this POP page. And that's it. That's how you can easily use POP and IMAP in your Zoho Mail account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.